Typically, the institutional or industrial facility has thousands of maintenance tasks. ACM's 1-hour Maintenance Work Order Management Lunch and Learn teaches effective project management tools to maximize efficiency and produce successful results. Our Lunch and Learn webinar reveals the know-how of effective work order management. Project management tools are a unique set of mathematical and engineering management practices that facilitate high visibility, effective resource utilization and optimization, efficient and prioritized direction of work based on performance, and identification and resolution of specific performance issues. ACM has extensive experience using project management tools in the maintenance operations environment. ACM's experienced practitioners provide an interactive and tailored training session using best and recommended practices, providing valuable education. ACM has a record of saving companies time and money, including assisting with maintenance crew optimization, which resulted in a savings of over $6 million per year. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute authorized training partner. Are you interested in learning more and enhancing your career? Come check out our website at www.acmpm.com. Here you will find our training schedule along with the training products that we have to offer.